My forever friend. When I was a baby, I got a special doll. It was a simple rag doll, but to me, it was the best doll in the world. The doll wore a funny clown costume with a pointy hat. Every night, I took my doll to bed with me. I couldn't sleep without it. My mom would make the doll talk to me. She would make it dance and sing funny songs. I would talk to the doll, and my mom would answer for it. I really thought the doll was talking to me. My doll was my best friend. I took it with me everywhere I went. One day, I left my doll on a shelf in a store. I didn't notice until we were almost home. I was so sad. My mom and I went back to the store. My doll was still there. I was so happy. I hugged my doll and promised to never leave it again. I couldn't imagine being without my special friend. As I got older, I played with other toys, but my doll always sat on my bed. Now, I don't play with toys anymore, but my doll still sits in a special chair in my room. It is old and worn, but I will keep it forever.